It's not often we get to show you homes that are 106 years old. Take a look at this beautiful one behind me. I'm going to show it to you. It's been fully restored. Yes, 1920. Wait till I show you the beautiful different details and features on this home. The location is amazing. Let's take a look at the neighborhood a little bit, and then we show you the home. All right, so we're at 711 East Lime Street, Central Lakeland. Oh boy, what a beauty you're getting ready to see here. This home is 106 years old, fully restored. Actually was in a different location and then just moved a couple years ago. This home was on Orange Street. As you can see, downtown Lakeland, beginning is right there. You can walk to Lake Morton. And boy, so many advantages to this location. But let's go take a look at the house. Not often you get to see a home that is, let me show you this. It's got the logo, the emblem right here, 100 century home, 106 years old. Whoopsie daisies, we're going the wrong way. All right, hey, it's live video, here we go. So this home has been fully restored. We've got a little wind today, but you can see the gorgeous front porch. And then we're gonna come right in here and see the luxury vinyl plank flooring. All right, so we're gonna close the door, get a little bit more privacy here, and you can see it's got the old fireplace here. So they've done a good job at leaving some of the original look. Look at that. It's pretty cool. And yet updated a lot of things. We're gonna see this in just a minute, but even, look at that, even the old door handles. But the kitchen is gorgeous. It's got granite countertops. I love the island right here, stainless appliances, beautiful cabinets. And you just gotta love this, how they did the wood here. Some better lighting on this, I'll show this to you, but the wood is really stunning. This is how they built these homes back in the day, kind of a shotgun, right? A couple bedrooms here and a bath, and then the master's in the back. You can see this is all the soft closed drawers here, and then the sink overlooking the area, the side yard. You have no HOA. Lake Morton is directly behind. I'll show you in just a second. Lake Morton Church is right behind us. The Methodist Church, I should say, off of Lake Morton. So let's start in the front so you can kind of keep an idea of where we are on this. But look, even the lights they did, you can put a big screen right here. And even the lights, ceiling fans. All right, so here is massive front bedroom. Holy smoke, this isn't even the primary suite. This is big, really nice size. This would be a good office, actually. Beautiful bifold doors. This is overlooking the front. About that front porch area. And look at these beautiful doors. How cool is that? I'm not gonna tell you if these are original and restored. I honestly don't know, but some of this stuff is gonna be original. But nevertheless, it's really, really done nicely. More like a Jack and Jill, really, because your other bedroom's right here. Beautiful tile job in the shower all the way up. But let's first of all look at this. They've raised the counters. Beautiful countertop here. Nice drawers, and this is gonna be your toilet tucked right behind kind of this half wall. Get the high ceilings, the fan, and again, there's your shower. Let's go back into the hallway to show you again the entrance of this bedroom. So you can kind of see, enter it right here, or you saw the other side of the bathroom. Again, nice size bedroom. You can see the double closet, double windows. And then again, you've got pocket door. Looks like there's pocket doors on both here and there for privacy. Okay, and then the primary suite, it's about 1,500 square feet. So as we go to the back, look at this closet. How about a walk-in closet on a home that's 106 years old? You don't ever see that, never. You know what closets are like on homes that are 100 years old? It's usually here, and it's a space about this big. And you know what I'm talking about if you've owned a home that's 75, 100 years old. So this is really nice how they've blown this out. Higher baseboards, and you can see they've got some nice touches. I love this master bathroom. And again, you got the beautiful doors. But look at this master bathroom. Oh, it's so nice. By the way, look at this flooring. This is beautiful. Love the color selection here. It did a great job. And then back here is the massive shower. You can see it's like the subway tile, and they went all the way to the ceiling. And the small little tiles here on the floor. So that's your primary suite. And then here is, you saw this from a second ago, a walk-in pantry, closet pantry. Central heat and air. This is your electrical panel been updated. So it's new electrical, and then your laundry. Inside washer dryer. Things you don't see on a 106-year-old home. You don't see inside laundry, a large pantry, a walk-in closet. You're gonna get this with this home though. And in a location that's crazy nice. Now, this is the Trax decking. You know that, you're gonna see that, a lot of that up north with the weathering conditions. Looks like they've got some of the original. Again, they moved this home. In fact, as I show you the outside, let's see if I can get my little printout out here. This is the backyard. This was built in 1920. It was relocated from 719 Orange Street. Orange Street about 3.5 years ago. So they actually picked this home up and moved it. Now, again, you usually don't get good sized lots with older homes and older lots. But this is why it's not super wide. It's very deep. Now this is, again, the United Methodist Church right behind us. So it's not going to be a real busy place behind, 1 day a week, 2 days a week. This is all pavers, really pretty. You can see the new AC. There's your crawl space. They've got that secured, but love the paint and gas water heater. So you've got natural gas here. And then you pull right in, and you pull right back here to your parking. So plenty of parking. You can get 2 cars there, 1 or 2 cars there if you want to. So plenty of room for parking. Again, if this is your tankless, and that's all brand new. And again, there's your crawl space. They put some nice wood over that to secure that. So what a treat to see a home like this old, completely renovated. And also want to finish off by showing you this right here. So it's been restored, and this is pretty cool. So it is Historic Lakeland, the City of Lakeland's Preservation Board. Pleased to recognize Greg Fincheli. It's the William and Barbara Wright House, circa 1920, East Lime Street. Outstanding rehab. So nice. What a precious thing to have. Hey, hope you've enjoyed this tour. This home is available as we speak. Reach out to me if you want to take a look at it. We'd love to give you a tour, tell you any other homes available in our beautiful city of Lakeland or all of Polk County. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a great day.
Hope you've enjoyed this home tour of this fantastic home, 106 years old, right here in downtown Lakeland. Man, come and get it. We'd love to show you this home or talk to you about your real estate needs you've got anywhere in Central Florida. If you're looking to buy, if you're looking to sell, our team can help you. So please reach out to me. My contact information is below, and I would love to have a conversation with you. Pick up the phone. Let's talk about where you are in your real estate journey. All right, God bless. Have a great day.